This is a really cool place. Look at that waterfall. Amazing. Ah, is it cold? Ah. Arrived to the waterfalls. Hello. Okay, so we have to buy some tickets here. 100 rupees. Thank you. Okay, see you soon.
That's a cool ticket.
Oh wow, that's cool. So to get to the nice view, have to go all the way up. I wonder if locals actually come here and go in the water. I don't know if it's allowed. So the name of these waterfalls is Ramboda Falls, and it's actually 109 meters tall.
There's lots of nothing.
Oh, I'm getting tired now. So we're going up 100 and something meters.
How many steps is that?
Loads. What does it say here?
Don't put garbage to the environment.
Yeah, don't.
Don't do that.
I've actually come prepared because we talked to our tuk-tuk driver yesterday, and he said in some of these waterfalls you can go in, but I'm not sure if this is the one because he said we're gonna visit a few.
You forgot your towel.
I forgot my towel, but it's okay. Well, this one looks easier to go down.
So yeah, that just says it'll.
What? Oh, okay. It is dangerous getting into the water, so I'm not going in. Look at this rock.
Oh.
Cool. This is a really cool place.
More steps.
More steps. We haven't been to a cool waterfall in such a long time, to be honest.
When was the last time you went to a waterfall?
I think it was in Bali or something like that. Right?
Yeah.
We didn't get to go to any waterfalls in Thailand.
It was cold down there, but it's quite humid up here.
I wonder if they have monkeys up here.
Well, maybe. We thought we were getting to the top, but there's more steps. She doesn't look very happy. Ayúdame.
I didn't know it was this far up.
Your body is gonna love you. Uh-oh.
There's some monkeys over there. We're nearly there, finally. Look at that waterfall! Amazing! 109 meters tall. Hello.
Hello. How are you? Thank you.
Is it cold? Ah,
Too cold.
is it cold?
Ice water.
Ah.
Ice water.
Oh no. Wow, okay, let's keep going. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so how are we doing this?
Here she goes.
Wow. So how do you go over there?
How do you go here? Walking. Yeah.
Oh.
Come, come.
Okay, so here we are in the waterfalls. I'm here because a local guy was really nice and helped me. Because it's quite slippery over there. But look at this. Just have to be very careful where I stand. So look at this. This is 109 meters tall, and it's the 11th tallest waterfall in the whole Sri Lanka. I really want to go in, but I don't know because there's no towels, and I think I'm gonna get really cold. So let's see. Hopefully there's no snakes in here. Ooh. Wow, I wish I was that brave. Ooh. Well, we made it. I don't know. I don't know if I can go all the way in, but get it. Ooh, it's so cold. So cold. This is how I broke my hand in pee-pee, so we made it. We made it. Look, there's this little bit here. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at those skills. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Look at those skills. Ooh. Hey! Guys, I really want to go in, but it's so cold and I don't have any towels. So I don't think that's a great idea.
up to the waterfall. So impressive, and it's pretty quiet as well. Not many people here. But, so once you get to the top, you have to cross past another little waterfall to get to the big one. It's a bit slippy, and so a local guy came and helped you. Got on camera.
That's so nice.
Yeah, so if you're watching this video, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's so friendly here.
So Sri Lankan people just want you to have the best experience in their country. And if you're a tourist, they want you to experience everything, every single bit, the best as possible. Amazing. Imagine just having that in your backyard.